Are you struggling with your upstrum? Is your timing off? Do you hate doing upstrums? You can do downstrums, but those upstrums just sound so awkward. Well, in this lesson, we're gonna go over ways to develop the upstrum on your guitar. So I've taught hundreds of thousands of students all over the world, and you guys leave comments below, and I read them. I read all those comments, and very often I get asked, Lauren, how do I work on my upstrums? I feel like I'm a robot, like a jerky robot, trying to do these upstrums. I can do downstrums. So first, let's talk about upstrums in context of the downstrum, since most people can do downstrums very well. I will usually start students off with a very simple rhythm. It's just 4 beats, 4 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it'll start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just playing a G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would say 90 to 95% of my students have no problem doing 4 downstrums in a row while holding a single chord. They're like, okay, this is great. Then we're like, all right, let's try and throw in an upstrum. So we've got, let's do something like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all of a sudden we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, but instead it looks like this. 1, 2, 3. There's like this rush to get back up. So I want you guys to go back to the downstrums here, and I want to show you something that you might not be aware of. Now, if we go back to that very simple rhythm, I want you to watch my strumming hand, all right? Don't worry about my counting or what I'm doing. Just watch my strumming hand when I do these 4 downstrums. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens between each one of those downstrums? Watch again. Ready? Did you notice that in order for me to get to the next downstrum, my hand had to come up, right? Every time I went down, my hand had to come up. Well, guess what, guys? I hate to break it to you, but you're already doing upstrums. You're just not hitting the strings. So you have a natural upstrum, you're just not focusing on it. As soon as you focus on the upstrum, you're starting to over focus and you're causing your muscles to stiffen and jerk because you're like, oh my God, I'm down here, I need to get back up. I'm down here, I need to get back up. So we're gonna work on relaxing those upstrums into the mix here. So usually what I'll do with students, like I said, we got the downstrums, okay? And we're gonna go slow. Whenever you're trying to develop something on guitar, you have to start slow. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take that simple rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna introduce an upstrum between each one of those downstrums, and we're gonna go very slow, okay? They're called 1/8 notes, if you wanna know, and they're called the upbeat, they're called the ands, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So it'll sound like this. It's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? And what I tell students to do, breathe, okay, relax. And in the beginning, I do want you to over-exaggerate that upstrum. Okay, see how high I'm bringing my hand up? I'm just letting it swing. And you can do this without a count. I have a tempo, but just watch my hand. See how even if you didn't hit the strings, just do this with your hand. Okay, let it swing. This is all your hand is doing on 1/8 notes. It's just swinging down for a downstrum, up for an upstrum. All right, so let's try and tighten it up. We're gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? And if you feel yourself doing this, relax the upstrum up. Don't force the upstrum, relax the upstrum up. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See, if you go nice and slow, you give your brain time to think and relax. Okay, here it is. Okay, now let's try and tighten it up a little bit. So let's not over exaggerate it so much, okay? 1 and 2 and, okay. Now if you're still feeling that little jerkiness come in, breathe, relax, loosen the grip up on the pick, okay? loosen the grip up on the pick. And if you're someone who feels like your pick falls out of your hand a lot, you can get these max grip picks. They almost feel like they have like sandpaper on them. They're called Max Grip by Dunlop. They're really great picks. This pick is not going to fall out of your hand, but you can definitely loosen up the grip without feeling like it's going to fall out of your hand. Okay? So that's it. That's all we're going to do. We're just gently relaxing. So let's go back to that first strumming pattern now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax the up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. One more time. If you guys practice with this, you will definitely master your upstrums on your guitar. And if you're interested in learning more about strumming, I have a whole 7-level guitar system that goes step by step from being an absolute beginner to kind of like the late beginner intermediate stage of playing guitar. So if you're looking for a more step-by-step way to learn the guitar, I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can go check that out. YouTube's gonna pop up a couple more videos over here. If you're interested in those, click on one, and I hope to see you guys in another lesson video real soon.